Hey guys, Colorado Camperman Brian here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a quick, easy, and cheap upgrade for your camper. I'm going to show you guys how to install these RV levelers. So this looks like your typical bubble level. However, you'll notice that it has some numbers on it. Well, what each of those numbers represents is 1 inch. And a lot of you guys probably use these blocks to raise your wheels up. That's what we use. And for those of you who don't know, each of these blocks is 1 inch. So what's cool about this is it will tell you, okay, hey, your right side needs to be raised up, 3 inches. So you can go and you can make your stack of blocks to make sure that you're 3 high and raise up, whichever side it was that was not level. I'm also putting these on our camper because our old bubble level's a little fluid after 11 years has, evaporated or something. But anyways, our levels are no longer good. So like I said, this is very easy. You don't really need a whole lot of tools. You are going to need another level. The only other thing really you're going to need is some rubbing alcohol and a rag or paper towel. So the first thing we're going to do, you have to make sure that your RV or camper is level first before installing these levelers. So now that our camper's level, we're going to go ahead and use our rubbing alcohol and our rag paper towel. We're going to put this on here. So now as I'm putting this on here, you got to make sure that the bubble level is in the center. There's a little double-sided sticky tape on the back here. There she goes. Boom. I think we're good. So this is the front. I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing on the side. Alright guys, here is the finished product. There is the front, and there is the side. Super easy install. Alright guys, well that is it for this quick, easy, and cheap upgrade for your camper. Again, this is a $10, maybe $12 upgrade, and it really takes all the guesswork out of leveling your camper. So I'll put a link in the description where you can pick these up on Amazon, as well as those yellow blocks. I'll also put a playlist of some other DIY projects that I do on our camper. But otherwise, throw a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.